So welcome back, and today I'm going to be teaching you the basic C stuff. We have already downloaded Turbo C++. It's an IDE for doing C program on your device. So let's just go for File, New, and then go for Window and just zoom it out. Let's cancel this. Okay. So while we are inside here, we'll type the first code in C, include stdio dot h, and then has include conio dot h, and then void main, and then the code that we want to write, that we want to execute. Okay, so now basically many people doesn't teach, okay, what this code does in the beginning part, but I'm gonna teach you what this code does. I'm not gonna make like any objections like I'll teach you this later or something like that, because C is very easy. Okay, so now this hashtag include stdio.h, it is an header file. Okay, it's an header file which is used in C program, okay, to take standard input output. Okay, so that's what you need to remember. And this one include conio.h, it is used by this function called getch, okay, which allows us, okay, also the example, because examples are better than telling. Okay, now, so first of all I'm going to print f. So printf is a function used in C program. It's very simple, print and then f, okay, and the bracket and the colons. Okay, so now we're gonna go for the simple program, hello world. Okay, so now when I run this program, I'm gonna get hello world, which is for sure, right? And then up here I can add a code called as CLRSCR. That means clear screen. Okay, now when I run the code, I'll just get hello world, and when I remove this one, I'll get the previous hello world, which is like saved in our terminal or the output. So now to clear that one, that stuff, you need to use this. So this has been cleared. And now the getch. Now if I don't use getch here, then see, I ran the program, it runs, but it goes out very quickly. So now to make the screen hold, getch is used, and now it is holding the screen. And when I press some key like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, enter anything, it goes. So this was the basic of C. Now you guys have known about clear SCR, getch function, and clear SCR function, and the printf function as well. And at the end of printf, you need to have the semicolon. Okay, so now you can print anything using the printf function. You can print your name. I'm gonna print out my name. I'm gonna print out my college name. Okay, and I'm gonna print out my favorite song. This Love by Maroon 5. Okay, so these were some of my information. So to make them clear, I'll type in name first and then burn. Okay, so it makes clear what the burn is. Otherwise, the user or the person who is using this program wouldn't understand. Oh, it's burn. I don't know whose burn is and what burn is. So it's a name. He will understand that way. Okay, and now here I'm gonna go for college, or you can write high school. Okay, so now I'm gonna write best song. Okay, so when I run the program, everything prints up, but why is it printing in that way? Why is it printing row by row in inside? Okay, it need to be printed horizontally, not vertically. So now to make it to the next line, we need to add a small code here, which is slash n. Okay, when I add slash n at the end and run the program, you can see hello world, name burn, high school, White House, best song This Love by Maroon 5. Maroon 5, and then you can see hello world and name are a little bit engaged, and let me just use slash n here, and okay, it's working perfectly fine. So this was our printf function in C. So now after this, I'm gonna teach you how to add two numbers. So now adding two numbers is very easy, guys. Just we are now headed to data types in C. Okay, so this is for beginners. I'm gonna make it short and quick. So for introducing a data type, you need to type out the data type. So my data type is a, integer a. Okay, the data type is integer and the name is a. Okay, so understand that way. And the next one is integer data type and the name is b. So you need to learn it that way. And so after that, I'll create an integer c, which is equals to a plus b, and then semicolon over here, and let me give a value to a. Suppose the value of a is 10, and the next value of b is 12. Okay, so now here I'm going to type printf a plus b equals a plus b equals percentage d, the data type. If it is integer, you need to type here percentage d and comma. Let me create another bracket here, a plus b, so it will just add up. So what's the output? 22. That's what we were expecting. So now the output is like a plus b equals 22, and it's like, what? What's the value of a? And so for for making everything clear, just type in D. Okay, so D is used in printf for making for printing out the integer type. Okay, so if we don't use %d, and if we don't use %d and just go for comma a and b and just a and b and stuff like that, it wouldn't know which thing are you talking about. Okay, so let's just run this. So it's 10 plus 12, which is equal to 22. This looks much clearer. So this was a quick video, guys. I hope you like it. This was about the integer type in C. Okay, and let us make our okay, so I'll teach you how to take input from the user and then print the output of any addition. Okay, so for that you need to ask the first number from the user. First number. I'm going to type in enter first number. Okay, good. And then the user need to enter second number, because addition is done by using two numbers. And now I'm going to print the values. Okay, %d plus %d was equal to %d. Okay, so now let's keep 3 commas, and now here on the top add integer a, b, and c. Okay, so you can add like this as well by giving a comma. And now here you'll need to scan f. So the scanf function is used to take input from the user. So scanf what? %d. So %d denotes so we need to so the user need to enter an integer. That what scanf will tell to the compiler when entered %d over here. Okay, and then comma, and then ampersand, comma, ampersand a. Okay, and this will allow the user to enter a value, and that value would be stored to the entered value here. So this value would be first number value would be stored to a. Okay, and percent is like storing the value. Okay, so that's why we have used %. So just remember, scanf, the data type. Okay, so the data type is integer, and I have already told you to use %d on integer, so that's what we have used here. And then comma and ampersand, that and is called ampersand in C programming, and then the data type name. Okay, so now a, b, and a bracket a plus b. Simple. So enter first number. So now we can enter. I'll enter 12, enter second number 12. So now the sum is 12 plus 12, 24. Our program is working very fine. So what I want to do is that I want to just clear the screen and print the output in a new screen. So 12, 12, okay, 12 plus 12, 24 in the new screen by using this method. So hopefully you guys might have understood this simple program in C. So if you have any queries, any question to ask you, then you are welcome. Just comment down below and make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. This is it for now. Bye bye.